In this video, I will guide you to how to send GIFs in Slack. So let's try it out. The first thing is open the application. Once the application will be open, move to that chat in which you want to send a GIF. Just for example, I will open this chat. Now, in order to send GIFs on Slack, you can see a message bar on the bottom of the screen. Click on it. Here you can see the icon of emoji. Click on it. And just next to it, you can see the icon GIFs. Click on it. And here on the GIF tab, and you can see these GIFs are not showing on my device. I don't know why. Maybe it's due to I am using the free version of Slack. Or maybe you can't send a GIF using Slack, but no need to worry. For this, I have a way. And that is, we will use the help of our keyboard. In your keyboard, you can send GIFs. Just click on this emoji icon, and on the bottom off my screen, you can see the icon GIF. Click on it, and below, you will see the GIF which I can use. I can search a custom GIF by clicking on the search bar. And here, I can search for "this is business." Below, you'll see all the GIFs which I can send. And I'll send this. And you can see the GIF has been sent, and that's it.